Amigo Bear. What's going on out there, Stump Jumper? Hello to you there, Stump Jumper. Oh, you got my radio there, Blake.
Hey, thank you there, John Deere. Hey, I've been out here in this old John Deere tractor here doing some work. I used you in that motor Ralph Mall. Well, you know me and you are friends. Oh, Johnny, running for Virginia border. My one bill getting on that.
Yeah, well, was I talking to you? See, that's what I was trying to explain to Rooster in Tennessee. The same thing. I was just trying to explain this to Rooster in Tennessee. We both have to be talking to you at the same time there, Blake.
Hey, I hear both of you talking there, and that old motor mouth Mall was coming over top of everybody. And now that is in those Stump Jumpers receive. I don't know about nobody else's receive. Yeah, well, I'll be out of put it on to you in those Stumps receive. I'm just let up there, that's what people.
Yeah, 410. 410 on that. Well, that's a good thing. But, I didn't hear you. That's what I was trying to explain to Rooster in Tennessee. He talking about Motormouth Mall covering me up when he was talking to me, or when he was talking to Motormouth Mall. I was talking to I ain't never heard Rooster in Tennessee. You know what I mean? Like, you might have heard Motormouth Mall in your radio, but I might have been talking to Florida or Tennessee or who knows where in another area, so conditions might have changed a little bit.
Yep, I got you. I understand all that. Anyway, you have yourself a good one. You're going to either have to push the pedal down or go to the goodie store one there. But me and you're still friends.
Hey, but right now, I bet I got your radio slapped in the corner there, Blake. Come on.
Hey, how you doing? You all right? Yeah, the floor out here, John Denver. Yeah, the floor out with Johnny Ringo.
Hey, Johnny, there's something. I'm going to get out of here, man. I'm going to cut the gate off, man, because I'm going to go get me some lunch here in a little while. But Stump Jumper, you take care, take it easy. John Denver's out the middle of the road.
5-1 Virginia just heading back.
Stump Jumper on this 10-4 machine, just taking it easy here. They call me 169 on the west side. 169.
Say you need some more wind over there, Stump Jumper. I got plenty to spare.
That skiff's covering you up.
I'll tell you what, Rooster, I know how to make them things smaller, John Denver. I got a couple programs to make them things smaller quick. This is, I run this in a camera, and they're high definition. This one here, this 20-minute gig will be probably 140 megabytes, maybe even more, maybe 500 megabytes. But I make them smaller, man. I render them down, so they're only like 50 megs big.
Well, you got those conditions set. They're all now lower. I'm telling you, this radio's doing this conditions real low. Just throwing in and out. That's pretty good stuff for a while. They was talking.
Hi, Rooster. Oh, Mr. Oz, yeah, you got everything turned off going on right now, no doubt. Hello to you, Mr. Oz. I'm on way, but I'm going to shut this thing down, man, and go get me some lunch on that end and do some other things, man. Take care, take it easy, Mr. Off. Rooster and Ted, all the good time gang. Well, you said you're on the phone with old Banjo. Tell old Banjo I said hello. John Denver in California is back quiet.
They feel must open that barn door out there earlier today. He must open that barn door earlier today. Old Big Phil, he's swinging them doors wide open.
Okay, I got most of that old number 2 around the Carolinas jumping in my radio also. And I'll say hello to him too. Number 2 in the Carolinas, I'll say hello to you. Take care, Mr. Off, and everybody.